Hi, my name is Kurt Menke with Septima, and I'm going to be introducing you to the course Field Data Collection with QGIS and Mergin Maps. So I'm a longtime QGIS user. I've been teaching QGIS since 2009. I'm a GIS consultant, so I do a mix of spatial analysis, some cartography, and some teaching. I'm a QGIS certified instructor and an OSGeo charter member. Next week's course session is going to be recorded, so that'll be one of the resources you have going forward. This is our course schedule. We'll have one class session, which will be 2 hours long. And in this, I'll cover the entire workflow. This will mostly be me showing you the workflow, but you may want to have QGIS handy in case you have a chance to try some of the things I show you. And at the end of the session, I will email you an assignment and the recording of the video. In the following week, we'll have a question and answer session, and that'll just be a chance for us to go over any issues or questions you had about using QGIS and Mergin maps, and a chance to just have a more informal discussion about Mergin maps. So these are the course topics. I know there's a lot of bullet points here, but the main points are in bold. So we're going to start by configuring the project in QGIS, and this will be most of the work. At that point, we'll use the plugin to create a Mergin Maps project from our QGIS project, and we then can go outside and use the Mergin Maps app to collect data with our smartphone. And then we can use the Mergin Maps platform to synchronize the data back and forth between mobile device and our desktop. We'll then look at reviewing the data in QGIS and then some other features related to Mergin Maps and some tips and tricks. So for the assignment and resources, the assignment is to be completed and returned to me. For resources, you're going to get step-by-step instructions for everything I show you. You'll also have a series of 9 short task-based videos on each step, so you can watch those if you don't want to read the instructions. And of course, the course session recording you'll have as well. And there's no course data. You're going to create the data yourself. So in this course, we're going to do a tree survey. This will be what the certificate looks like you'll get for the course. So when you turn in your assignment, you'll get this official QGIS certificate for this course. So there are 2 related QGIS data collection apps, QField by OpenGIS-CH and Mergin Maps by Lutra Consulting. And we can discuss the similarities and differences in these, but yes, we're going to be using Mergin Maps in this course. So you'll need to have installed QGIS 3.2.8 or above. 3.2.8 is the current long-term release of QGIS. You need to set up a Mergin Maps account. In QGIS, you can also install the QGIS plugin for Mergin Maps and sign in with your credentials. And then the app for your mobile device. You can install that on Android or Apple. You can also use this QR code to take you to the app for the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. So Mergin Maps is the easiest way to take your QGIS projects into the field and capture spatial data easily through your mobile device. And it has several features. You can store and track changes to your spatial data. So it has a versioning system. It's integrated closely with QGIS, and it's also fully open source. So there's no vendor lock-in using Mergin Maps. It has several components. So the platform includes a cloud service that allows you to store your data, track changes, manage versions of your project, and share your project. It also has a QGIS plugin that allows you to sync projects and data between QGIS and your mobile device. This includes a data provider in the browser panel and a toolbar. The input app looks like this, where you, on the left, may have multiple projects that you can open. Once you open one of them, it will look exactly as it did within QGIS. So all the symbology is honored. And if you want to collect data, you click the record button and you're brought to your data form where you can answer all the questions about that feature, take a picture, etc., and save the point. Also, you can collect not just points, but lines and polygons with QGIS. So in the course, most of the work is going to be done in QGIS because I'm going to show you the option for setting up a Mergin Maps project that gives you the most flexibility. You'll then use the Mergin Maps platform to create a Mergin Maps project, pushing it up to the cloud, get onto the mobile device, download it, go outside, collect data, and then use the platform to synchronize the data back to QGIS to keep everything current on both platforms. And the project we work on in the course is going to be a tree survey. So you're going to learn how to set up a project in QGIS to conduct a tree survey. So that's a short introduction to the course, and I look forward to seeing you.